Okay, well, we got an item here, and let's say that we want a preview of this item in which we'll get only the name and, for example, the image. And to do this, we will need to create a new type that we will call as item preview, in which we're gonna take with hell of pick. We're gonna take from our item type the name property and the image property, as I said before. Okay. Well, and now we can make our item preview with help of this type. Let's create a new variable called item preview, in which will be defined as this new type I just created before. And I put an object here with the following props, that is the named item dot name and image item dot image. And if I console log this item preview here, and if I run the code, we can see that we have no errors here. Okay, now if we try to put a description here, item the description, we will see that it'll throw an error, of course, because this property, as we can see here, this property is not part of our item preview type because we're extracting only just the name and the image. Therefore, we're gonna remove this description prop, and of course, the error is gone.